Alright, today's adventure, don't mind the wind. It's coming down the road at 65. This fucking Warner's gas truck pulled out right in front of me, coming down this straight stretch. So I slammed on the brakes, went a little sideways, went off the road right here. Just missed this mailbox, making decisions what to hit or not hit. Missed the pole. Ended up jumping this little ditch right here. Check that out, caught some air right on. Landed pretty hard right here. Missed the mailbox, missed all the trees, missed their big ditch and their driveway. I'll put it right back on the road and kept on going. I think the truck's all right. Just got a little dent in there. Mud flap. I think we gotta check our pants. We probably shit ourselves.